In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your videos look more cinematic in Adobe Premiere Pro. This walkthrough is beginner-friendly, so feel free to follow along at your own pace. I already have a clip imported into my timeline, and we'll build the look step by step. First, let's stabilize the footage to remove unwanted camera shake. Open the Effects panel, search for Warp Stabilizer, and drag it onto your clip. Premiere Pro will immediately begin analyzing in the background, and you can watch the progress in the Effect Controls panel as it goes frame by frame. Give it a moment to finish. If your shot was very shaky, stabilization can sometimes crop a bit more of the image than expected, but this trade-off helps create that smooth, professional feel that sets the foundation for a cinematic look. Next, we're going to slow things down slightly for a more graceful motion. Right-click your clip and choose Nest. This is important because Warp Stabilizer and speed changes don't play nicely on the same clip. With the nested sequence selected, right-click again and choose Speed Duration. Change the speed to 80%, then open the Time Interpolation menu and pick Optical Flow for the smoothest motion between frames. Playback might look a little choppy at first. That's normal. Rendering the section will help you preview the final result more accurately. To add a subtle sense of dynamism, you can introduce a gentle zoom in or zoom out. In Effect Controls, set a starting scale keyframe near the beginning and a slightly different scale value near the end. Keep it minimal so it feels intentional and not distracting. Now let's move into color. Open the Lumetri Color panel. If you don't see it, go to the Window menu and enable Lumetri Color. In Basic Correction, use the White Balance eyedropper and click on something actually white in your shot, like a shirt or a sign. Premiere Pro will balance the temperature and tint for you. Then lightly adjust exposure to brighten if needed, increase. Contrast to add punch, lower the blacks a touch, and raise shadows to recover detail. Make small moves and frequently toggle the basic correction checkbox on and off to compare before and after. The goal is a clean, balanced image that preserves detail. For the final cinematic touch, add black bars. In the Effects panel, search for crop and apply it to your clip. In Effect Controls, set both the top and bottom to 12%. This widescreen framing instantly elevates the look. That's it. Stabilized, slowed, color balanced, and framed for a cinematic finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you level up your edits.